So today we'll go on to talk about, we'll be learning some everyday phrases to talk about the weather.
Weather.
Yes, weather. Have you had any reason to talk about the weather?
Yes, the like talking about weather.
Mm.
Yes, like the rain is serious or the cold is serious.
Eh, eh, the rain is serious, the cold is so strong, and just like that, and that, right?
Yeah.
So let's see what we can make out of today's class. Agbayabaru. So what's a sobora evuli screen when I came in? Boom level screen when what's it say?
Takpare, takpare, aro-oke,
Okay.
aro-oke,
Takpare. Okay, takpare. I was supposed to do that E of that KPARE. Supposed to have dotted the E there. Okay, what you have there is takpare, aro-oke, bata, tani takpare, aro-oke.
takpare, aro-oke.
Beautiful. Takpare aro-oke, meaning that talk about the weather. Or then the other in that way, let's say, but if you want to say the way I wrote it in English, talking about the weather, that is takpare aro-oke, or yele ada takpare aro-oke.
Hmm.
Hmm. All right.
Takpare, aro-oke.
Takpare aro-oke. Okay, let me admit. All right. So ọ̀rẹ́ sọ pàtàkì ó yẹ àkàtàkà rẹ̀ uvodarova and uvodarova.
Uvodarova.
Yes, uvodarova mean that when the sun is shining, or talking about sunny weather, talking about sunny weather. So swona ó ṣe sékèrè ó ṣe sọnà kẹrẹ.
Funny weather. Uvodarova.
Ọ̀rà gbèsè ọ̀nà kẹrẹ.
Ona, omamo, ede, de,
Okay. Eh, okay, gbẹgbẹgbẹ na obomi kese na ọna ụmamọ edede ọdịechọghị. Ọna ụmamọ edede ọdịechọghị. Ya gbese tani ọna
ona,
ụmamọ ede
omamo, ede,
de
de,
ọdịechọghị.
odetioin.
Hmm. Ọdịechọghị. That is today. This is a beautiful day, or this is a good day, isn't it? Or isn't it so? Ona umamoede de odetioye. Again.
Onana, omamo, ede, de, odetioin.
Beautiful. Now, let's assume you have a very bright weather and the sun is shining so bright. You will say uvona na borova. You say uvona na borova.
Uvon,
Yes, say
uvona, naborova.
uvona
Uvona,
na borova.
naborova.
Good. Now, uvo borova. That means the sun is shining, or sun shines. Uvorova, uvonana borova. Do you remember I said anywhere you see nabo is an intensifier that is shining so bright. So I can see the translation of it. The sun is shining so brightly. Eka masabovu. Uvonana borova.
Uvona, naborova.
Beautiful. That means the sun is shining so brightly.
Ova, ova,
Mm.
brightly.
The sun is shining so brightly. agbaya ubalo. Ocheko na leke setineko ye onana omamo aro-oke lofoke ekopada yele ehaihawe utafe. I'll take it slowly. Batani onana omamo aro-oke.
Aro-oke.
Now, what this means that first part we just read, onana omamo aro-oke, that is, this is a perfect weather, or this is a good weather. Aro-oke weather. Do you get?
Yeah.
Good. So onana, this, omamo, good, or in this context, you can say perfect. Onana omamo aro-oke. That is, this is a good weather, or this is a perfect weather. Lofoke ekopada, that is perfect, or that is good or perfect for going out or working out or visiting. Ekopada, visiting friend or going outing. Do you get that?
Yeah.
Good. Yele, yele, the word yele means or. Yele means what?
Yele. Or.
Or, yes. Eha, that is play or any fun activity. You get?
Yeah.
Le otafe, outdoor or outside. Do you get that?
Yeah.
Good. Egbe say mikalma say above na. Onana omama aro-oke lofoke ekopada. Can you say that?
Yeah.
Egbe say.
Onana omamo aro-oke lofoke ekopada.
Beautiful. Onabolieta. Egbe roma say above. Onana omamo aro-oke lofoke ekopada.
Onana omamo aro-oke lofoke ekopada.
Beautiful. Yele eha utafe.
Yere eha otafe.
Beautiful. Yele eha utafe. Now, what you have on the screen is more like the written form of the language. But if you are going to say it in a very more natural way, you would hear people say, Onanumama aro-oke lofoke ekopada yele eha utafe. You see that the last there, this one here, let me get my cursor. This one, can you see there? This W, this VWE here, right? You will see that it will, this E will be gone, and you just say, yele eha utafe, not the utafe anymore. To be read as utafe. You getting it?
Yes.
Good. All right. Agbaya Obalu. Then before we move on to talk about the rainy weather, another way you can, when the weather is bright, you can say that aro-oke na nabosasa. That aro-oke na nabosasa.
Okay, aro-oke na nabosasa.
Beautiful. Aro-oke na nabosasa means the weather is very bright, and it's more like a figurative expression. Sasa, that means if you want to translate that into English, it means that the weather is very cheerful. You understand? That's what it means. So that is more more like, I think, a personification. Aro-oke na nabosasa mean that the weather is very bright or the weather is cheerful.
Yeah.
All right, so let's talk about Oshodaro. Mean that let us talk about when it's a rainy weather.
Mm.
Now, let's check out how well you can read the first expression on the screen. That is the one on the orange shade. That what I'm supposed to say.
Ọhọhọ ne osiokaro
Eh?
were kpe
Eh?
enunabiri.
Okay. Na igbeji yana bo se. Na gbese nínú ìtani ọhọhọ ne
Ọhọhọ ne
osiokaro
osiokaro
wẹrẹpẹ.
were kpe
Good. Enu na biri.
enunabiri.
Ngbara ma sejobi. Ọhọ ne osiokaro wẹrẹpẹ. Enu na biri.
Ọhọhọ ne osiokaro were kpe enunabiri.
Okay. Now, egbeje afa or ibi ụtọ na vovu. Omitana, what I just said that let us dissect the word one by one, the whole sentence one by one. Ohohone, that means it seems like or looks like. Osio, rain, ka, will. And another rendition of that word, ka there, can be cha. Ọkọkọ na osio charo, ọkọkọ na osio karo. Do you understand? This word here, K-A. It could be ọkọkọ na osio charo, ọkọkọ na osio karo, whichever it is. All right. Ọkọkọ na osio karo, ro, mean rain. That is fall. Do you get it?
Yeah.
Good. Now, verekpe. Verekpe, that is soon. Batani verekpe.
Verekpe.
Good. Enu, the sky. But enu also means up. And if you want to differentiate between the sky and up, generally, the sky is called irarehe. But in everyday conversation, we refer to the up as enu. Rather than enu na biri, it means that the sky is cloudy. Biri means dark, but it also means cloudy in this context. On another way.
Hey.
Good. Na egbeje se batane ọhọhọ ne osiokaro werekpe.
Ọhọhọ ne osiokaro werekpe.
Enu na biri.
Enunabiri.
Beautiful. Wo se sejobi above as esevo na gbe sejobi.
Ọhọhọ ne osiokaro werekpe enunabiri.
Beautiful. Wana bori egbade. Agbaya obaru. You are going somewhere and you're going somewhere with someone and maybe from the weather forecast or you call someone and you say, don't forget your umbrella that the rain is pouring or it is pouring out there or the rain is pouring over there. What's that? Woje harawe chowerole. Batani woje harawe chowerole.
Woji harawe chowerole.
Good. Chowero, choero, meaning that forget. Chowero, you shouldn't forget. You understand? Now,
Chowero.
yes. Ehara. Do you know what ehara is now?
Ehara.
What is it? What does ehara mean?
No. Umbrella.
Beautiful umbrella ehara. So what atane? Woje karawe chowero. Osio ro boyina. Osio, what is the osio again? Just remember what osio is?
Sorry, come again, please.
Okay. Meaning, woje harawe chowerole osio ro oboyina. So I'm asking you, do you know what osio is?
Osio is rain.
Beautiful. What about ro? What does the word ro means?
raw,
Mm.
fall, to fall.
Pour, yes, pour. Or rain falling. Osioro. It is raining. Ro, osioro. Rain falls or rain fall. All right. Oboyi. Bata tani. Wo ṣe hara wecho weru.
Woji hara wecho weru.
Osioro oboyi. Osioro oboyi. Yes.
Osioro boyina.
Mm-hmm. Yeah. Now, like the one you see, the one I've written here is more like a general one. This one you see here. So let us see the different way we can say it. Like what you have here, I said, Woje harawecho werule osuro oboyina, which is don't forget your umbrella is pouring out there. All right. Ojo ko akatak by corner. Migene gwono osiona. Better Danny. Migene gwono osiona.
Migene wono osiona.
That is, I really enjoy the rain, or I really want the rain, or I actually want the rain, or I actually love the rain, or enjoy the rain. Now let's look at the next sentence. Onere omalie. Okay, I didn't write everything there. Onere omamelie dia. Tani onere omamelie dia.
Onere omare
Omame.
omamere dia.
Yes, this word here, I didn't finish it. Omame. Tani onere omamelie dia.
Onere omame.
Yes.
That's umame.
Lie dia.
Re
Dia.
re
Dia.
dia.
Beautiful. Now, migende guano siona. Now, if you want to read that, you see this word guano here. This all here in a natural flowing conversation, that all we go. So what you're going to hear people say is migene guanosiona. Migene guanosiona. What's that?
Migene guanosiona.
Yes, migene guanosiona. That is, I actually enjoy the rain, or I actually love the rain, or I actually want the rain. Migene guanosiona.
Yeah.
Yes, sir, Babu.
Migene guanosiona.
Good. Onero mamerie dia.
Onero mamere dia.
Beautiful. Onero mamerie dia means that it makes me feel cool, or it feels so refreshing. All right. Then no bolewe tiena. Okay, and I can talk about ikpaide mwe. Is that talk about ikpaide mwe? Ikpai cold.
Ikpaide mwe.
Yes. Ikpaide mwe. That is when there is cold. Unless it's sweating, Otafe na jirori mamonone na. Tani otafe na.
Otafena.
Jirori mamonone na.
Jirori mamonone na.
Meaning that the weather, the outside is very cold today. And if you want to put it in a figurative way, or you want to put in a flowery language, it also could mean it's freezing outside today. So, otafe na jirori mamonone na.
Otafe na jirori mamo. Nonena.
Beautiful.
Me see obe.
What's your be? Agbesi. That's good. That's good.
Yeah.
Agbaya baro.
Hey.
Yoma. ọchọkọgbe ogbewunu obore kpaina gati gbatatani ogbewunu
Ogbewunu.
obore kpaina gati.
Obore kpainagati.
Good. That is, I can't believe how cold it is, or it is baffling how cold it is. For instance, you just okay about some maybe around October when there's no harmattan yet. You just see everywhere so cold and like this cold is baffling. Mean that and it's so baffling how the cold is. It's not even harmattan yet. But Besabotani ogbewunu obo gati.
Ogbewunu obore kpainagati.
Beautiful. And before we round it off for this session, let's look at the last one. Tani aro-oke na
Aro-oke na.
nere
Nere.
me gwono kije vunwevi.
Me.
Gwono me gwono
Me
ki.
gwono kide vuwenwi.
Yes. Viribo erare.
Iribo erare.
Viribo erare.
Iriberare.
Lona bo twabo.
Rona botwabo.
That means now aro-oke. You remember what aro-oke is, right?
Weather.
Good. Nere makes me. Gwono kidia that is stay. Evunwevi indoors. The and or with iribo erale pepper soup. Lona bo twabo. If something is, if you say emutwabo, meaning that thing is very hot. You understand?
Na botwabo.
Yes, very hot. Nabotwabo.
So if I say onana botwabo, this is very hot.
Yes, onana botwabo. Yele wasatani onana borura. Mena. So rona borura, that is very hot. Rona botwabo, that is very hot. But for the twabo now mean that can skate your hand, that can burn your hand. You getting it?
Yeah.
All right. So we will end this session here.